Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching and for spending some minutes with me. Today I want to make a video using ChatGPT and automating the process as much as possible. For this, you can see that I'm in ChatGPT, and actually today I'm going to use some of the plugins that are available. People want to basically start side hustles where the investment is not so high, and one of the best ways to do that is probably with a YouTube channel where you create some of the content. And in order for you to upgrade to ChatGPT 4, that's about $20. And the other thing we need is an account where we can create videos from text, and that's another $25. So with $45, I want to see the videos I make, how far they can take us. Now, I have installed a few plugins here. This one, let me open this. It's a Video IQ, What's Trending, and Video Summary. This one here will allow us to search for trending topics on YouTube. This one also gives us other trending information, and this one allows us to get a summary from a URL on YouTube. And then we will use that to create a script and then to create a video automating the process fully with this other tool. And so let's start. So the first thing I want to do is to show you the different capabilities. So we can start with a prompt like this. What are the capabilities of the vidIQ plugin? And this plugin basically allows us to get channel details, find channel by name, video transcripts, trending videos. So that's the one I want to use, and video details as well. So what I'm going to do is show me the top trending videos on YouTube right now in the US. I'm only interested in the US at the moment. And so what the plugin is going to do is going to go to YouTube and start providing that information for us. So it seems that at the moment, this new video here has about 4 million views per hour. So that's a crazy amount, right? And there are some others. So today's video, I want to basically get this one, get a summary and why this video is so successful, and then automate the process for explaining why this is so successful and publishing it on my channel and see if that takes us anywhere. And then if that's the case, in the future, we can create more of this. So I'm going to copy the link. And now I'm going to publish another prompt, and we will use the video summary. So something like analyze this video below and determine what makes it so successful on YouTube right now. Is it the hook? Is it the overall story? Is it the characters? Is it the thumbnail? Is it the creator? Is it the amount of money they mention? And maybe some others, right? Maybe is it the creator? Oh, it's already there. Okay. So now we say the next line. Once you know that, please write a 3-minute script explaining why this video is so successful. I will use this script and make a video, a YouTube video about it. And I've tried this in the past, and what it does, it's gonna also give us some visual cues. We don't want that. We just want the script. So I'm gonna say, do not give me any visual cues about what videos or shots I need to include in my editing. Just share the script with me. And now we paste that link here and we run it. And as you can see, now it's using the different plugin. And it's starting to analyze it, right? And it's giving you all this information about why this video that is on YouTube right now is so successful with 4 million views per hour. So what we want to do is to publish this, create a thumbnail, and launch it, and see if we can rate, and see if we can ride that particular wave. A bit more, okay. It's about 2 minutes plus. And that's it, right? So, okay, so now we have a script. This script is about 3 minutes. So the next thing we want to do is to basically get this script. We just copy, I'm gonna copy from the beginning. Okay, sorry. From the beginning, I'll copy everything. And now we go into the second tool. So this second tool is in video, and what it does is it will analyze the script and then go grab stock footage that we can use matching the script, and then we can publish it for people to understand why this video is so successful. So I will publish it here, and we say, I did 3 minutes because 3 minutes is about what's available here for free. So I'll just say generate a video. So it's analyzing the script, and it's starting now to prepare the video. Okay, now it's asking us some information. It's saying audience, YouTube creators, content marketers, MrBeast fans. So we'll say the audience is, so it's going to YouTube, yes, look and feel professional, inspiring, crisp. I'll say professional. And then the audience will be content marketers, MrBeast fans. Yeah, let's say MrBeast fans, okay? And continue. So this might take a few minutes, and it's analyzing now all that content and preparing that video for us. And so this is the video. So I'm just going to download the video in high quality, in HD. And we say allow. And as the system is doing that, we now go into ChatGPT again, and we will create the thumbnail. Okay, so now we will be using DALL-E to basically get a description of an existing thumbnail and then use it with my prompt so that I can create a related thumbnail. How would you describe this thumbnail used in a YouTube video? And the thumbnail is this one. It's related to that video that we've created the explanation for. And so we are interested in some of this information. Okay, so now I'm going to use my own prompt where I've been fine-tuning how DALL-E basically describes me, and then we will be using some of this information, like, okay, generate 2 thumbnails, da-da-da. We will remove this one that I used the last time. and we can remove this. So say I don't mind too much about the position of things, so something like there is a large bright yellow Ferris wheel set against a backdrop of lush green tropical mountains and a blue sky. In the center there is a prominent mountain with a waterfall cascading down its side. On the right, the image shows a large water slide thatched roof structure at the top, suggesting a tropical theme. The water slide ends in a pool that appears to be part of a natural waterfall. There are also hot air balloons in the sky, and I think they are red, yes. They are red, adding to the adventurous feel of the scene. The overall composition is vibrant and suggests fun and excitement, likely reflecting the theme or content of the videos it is associated with. Falling from the sky, we see oversized, vividly colored dollar bills. The overall image should be well lit with high contrast. Okay, yes. Excellent. So now we can submit this prompt and let's see what happens. Okay, so pretty amazing, right? So look at this. This one looks awesome. I love it. And the next one looks awesome as well. So I think I prefer the first one because there are no other people here. So I'm going to say I like this one. So we have now the thumbnail. So the next thing we need to do is to get the description for the video that we have created, and we can get that using ChatGPT. So I'm going to be publishing now this to YouTube. Then we will see in a few weeks or months whether this video has been successful or not. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. If you like, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I plan to do other tests like this one. Thank you so much and talk to you soon.